Vuba resin-bound kits offer numerous benefits. Firstly, this surface is water permeable. Secondly, it looks far more attractive than asphalt and concrete. Thirdly, it forms a relatively thin layer of just 15mm. Lastly, it's strong and can handle a car's weight. The composition of Vuba resin-bound kits is simple: stones and resin. But the outcome is stunning. Amber, quartz, granite, and other options let you create genuine masterpieces. Your neighbors will be envious. Amazing advancements are happening in the realm of balconies, worthy of discussion, at least in construction circles, and a great example is the Glide-On cassette. These balconies are sturdy, attractive, and so technologically advanced that the installation record stands at just 1 minute and 34 seconds. Builders love that Glide-On cassette balconies come fully assembled, so all that's left is installing them on special anchors. Now, even large-scale projects like building 474 balconies in the NE02 building are no problem. Plus, to help the environment, Glide-On cassette features a low-carbon frame that cuts CO2 emissions by 19% in certain production stages. We're in Colorado, on a section of Highway 36. The road surface here was impacted by subsidence, leading to cracks and a sinkhole that partially blocked the road. To reopen the road as quickly as possible, the repair team used 6,100 insul foam blocks, totaling over 18,500 cubic meters. From an aerial view, they resemble ants stealing sugar from a sugar bowl. As a result, the renovation took 2 months and showcased the exceptional teamwork among everyone involved, from factory workers producing the blocks to drivers and on-site workers. These openings for cables, pipes, and wires help installing utility lines, but don't look appealing. To restore the wall's original appearance, Pipelife suggests the following approach. First, fill the space with flexible pipes to form a honeycomb structure. Then apply a layer of Driffield sealant on top. Lastly, ensure it's well smoothed. This combination not only improves aesthetics, but also resists gas and water at a pressure of 1.5 bar. As we've already discussed honeycombs, let's check out Hybris. This honeycomb insulation is ideal for ceilings and walls. It can be easily cut with a handsaw, blends seamlessly with stone, and its structure prevents rooms from overheating during the summer. A pack of 50mm thick panels covers 5.5 square meters. Hybris is lightweight, making it comfortable to work with on your own. Plus, the CE label ensures that Hybris is a high-quality product meeting European Union standards. Here's a clever trick from a foreman. At first sight, this appears to be a brick wall, but it's actually made using Bolix BQS tiles. The idea is to achieve an attractive, long-lasting and easy-to-maintain surface without breaking the bank. These tiles can be easily cut with regular scissors, bend well for versatile corner designs, and even withstand extreme weather like hail. To install them and create a mortar-like appearance, the manufacturers have created a unique adhesive grout. A standard tile measures 24 by 7 centimeters. The most fascinating aspect is that they're handmade, ensuring no two Bolix BQS tiles are identical. As we continue our climb up the building technology pyramid, Modulesca steps are here to help. They're made from modules of fiberglass reinforced polypropylene and can be finished with tiles. To ready the future staircase frame, you'll only need 2 tools, a screwdriver and a level. Even a 35-degree slope won't pose any issues. The steps come in widths of 424 or 934 millimeters, and can endure temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Plus, they don't rot and are entirely made from recycled materials, helping the environment. The bottom section of wooden posts frequently decays, making it essential to encase it with Post Saver. This protective sleeve keeps oxygen and water from infiltrating the wood, hindering the growth of fungi and mold. Bear in mind, the sleeve doesn't attach to the post's tip, but is partially above ground level. This setup ensures enhanced protection down to 15 centimeters. BRE, Europe's most extensive independent wood testing body, confirms the sleeve's effectiveness for 20 years. Forget Scott Pilgrim. The true excitement is Mario versus the world, particularly when his foes are plaster, steel, and other materials that refuse to budge. But no worries, Mario has brought Mapeflex MS45 adhesive sealant, and it's prepared to glue and seal anything from logs to sinks, both horizontally and vertically, including contraction and expansion joints, even on flowing water. Mapeflex MS45 outperforms the famous adhesive tape from the meme, and even with a 3mm layer thickness, guarantees a flexible and robust bond. In France last year, a house was built using sunflowers and salt as an unconventional approach to addressing the climate crisis. However, today we'll be discussing a more practical solution, the Seeker Block formwork. This eco-friendly product is made from bioplastic and recycled materials, and it's designed to protect masons' backs and muscles, since each assembled block weighs only 2.5 kilograms. The assembly process is so simple that one worker can build 60 square meters in just a day. Plus, Seeker Block is incredibly strong and can even be used in elevator construction. It's often said that first impressions matter, and this is especially true for houses. A beautiful and grand brick facade can make a big impact. However, creating one used to require the skills of an experienced bricklayer. But now, thanks to Facade Click, anyone can do it, even if their only experience with bricks is playing Minecraft. All you have to do is insert the bricks into special connectors and secure the last row with screws, and just like that, you're done. No need for mortar, and you can work in any weather. Plus, the resulting facade is more than twice as strong as a traditional one in terms of compressive strength. Concrete work has been highly sought after in the United States for quite a while. Over 60% of roads, along with sidewalks, garages and other spots, use concrete. Unfortunately, a common issue is the sinking of concrete slabs, which can lead to cracking if not addressed. Imagine the impact if this occurs on a heavily trafficked road. Luckily, repair teams equipped with Polylevel have a solution. This substance expands and raises the slab in merely 15 minutes. Its sophisticated chemical composition enables Polylevel to adapt to temperature, weather, and other factors. Furthermore, the compound doesn't break down, doesn't release harmful substances, and doesn't react with soil or water. When updating an old structure or building a new one, it's crucial to reduce the weight of the slabs, and the Rectolite system can be a big help. Its creators are incredibly innovative. They've blended reinforced concrete beams with pressed wood pieces that serve as a stay-in-place formwork. This ultimate solution allows for the construction of overlapping spans up to 9 meters without needing intermediate supports. In terms of weight, they're half as heavy as many alternatives, and if required, can be enhanced with specially designed fixtures for suspended ceilings. Felt is a common sound insulator in both apartments and car interiors. It might seem like we've exhausted all of its uses, but many companies keep finding new ways to use this material. For instance, Heart Felt is the world's first modular felt ceiling system. The Groove version boasts an absorption value of 0.65. In simpler terms, sound is clearer in a room with heartfelt, making conversations easier to hear so you can talk quietly without shouting. Plus, these ceilings look much better than traditional suspended ones. Playgrounds require a safe, smooth, and adequately cushioned surface. Wet Pour effectively combines all of these traits. Its foundation is top-quality rubber from the UK and Western Europe. It's non-toxic, and when installed correctly with a 15mm thick top layer, it can even withstand spiked shoes. So, don't be shocked if you encounter Wet Pour at a climbing facility or a racetrack. Like the previous product, it comes in various colours, allowing designers to freely express their creativity for each project. Over 900 customers across 8 European countries are already enjoying Rivonia houses. They're made from 4 modules, but can serve as living spaces, wine cellars, and even saunas. If needed, they can be expanded to cover hundreds of square meters. Sometimes builders finish a Rivonia house in just 24 hours. The modules are made of reinforced concrete at least 9 centimeters thick, allowing for 1 meter of flooring on top. Plus, they have an estimated lifespan of about 100 years. Build and lift is a construction method where the roof is built on the ground first and then lifted into place using special jacks. This approach has benefits for both workers and clients. Workers don't have to work at heights, reducing the risk of falls and injuries, and clients will appreciate that it only takes 1 day to lift the roof of a 250 square meter house, and most of the time, no scaffolding is required. As for the cost, a project of this size would cost around $1,800. Last year, a massive fire in Kuwait made international headlines. The fire occurred in the world's largest tire landfill and burned so intensely that it could be seen from space. That's unfortunate for our planet, which is why recycling is so important. With some creativity, old tires can be repurposed to make products like the Aspire paver. This paver is suitable for outdoor use because it's resistant to stains, scratches, and water. It's installed using patented modules and is incredibly durable. In fact, it can withstand even a Category 5 hurricane with winds of up to 252 kilometers per hour. Back in 1951, BASF came up with a new expandable polystyrene material that is now known as Styropor. It's the go-to choice for packaging and as a thermal insulator in construction. Styropor is light, excels at absorbing shock, and isn't affected by moisture, combining many benefits into one product. Some websites hail wall-tight foam as the world's top insulation material. This compound creates a closed-cell layer, works for below-ground projects, and suits roofs and floors. It not only insulates, but also stabilizes cavity walls, for example. To insert it, just prepare 12mm diameter holes. A craftsman with wall-tight can even work in winter, using a special version for temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. By 2029, the artificial turf market is expected to grow by about 11% annually. This is fantastic news for the creators of Vertedge, who've created a groundbreaking device for laying synthetic turf rolls. A major challenge in this process is securing the edges, especially when the turf meets a fence or a building. What's the solution? Construction pros may recall carpet and laminate flooring, which often require special profiles and skirting boards. VertEdge uses the same principle. Using these strips, workers lay and glue the turf in one step. The outcome is neat and attractive with no visible fasteners. The manufacturers aim for VertEdge to become the industry standard. What do you think? Now, what's the best material to fill the gap between beams? This video suggests using Styropor insulation panels. These styrofoam slabs are easy to cut and carry. Their air permeability is similar to spruce. During use, they don't release dust or fibers, so no gloves, masks, or safety goggles are needed. If they fit properly, you can skip the fasteners. The slab thicknesses range from 10 to 16 centimeters. If you're happy with the outcome, you can also use them for the floor. Plus, they have a minimum 50-year lifespan. Styropor is an eco-friendlier take on traditional playground surface. It's made of rubber granulate, but it's produced in a grate form. This design allows soil to be spread and grass to be planted, creating a more appealing hybrid surface. Rainwater doesn't pool on it, and when used with turf, Styropor is great for landscaping. The standard slab is square-shaped, with 1 meter sides and a 65mm thickness. It comes in red-brown, green, and anthracite colors. In an overflow pool, the water level is even with the edge. While it may be more challenging to build, it has several benefits. Firstly, the water filtration system is more effective, which is why many public pools use this design. Secondly, it offers more design possibilities. For instance, the streams can be transformed into small waterfalls, making even a small overflow pool appear much larger than it actually is. Are your construction site's concrete blocks delayed due to suppliers and carriers? Consider making your own. Just buy these steel molds from Europe Block and fill them with concrete. With removable partitions, you can create 4 block variations of 40 by 80 by 80 up to 160 by 80 by 80 centimeters from one mold. A 2-person team can manage it, and Europe Block offers a mechanical clamp to simplify block loading. Gabions are made up of a metal frame filled with stones. It's no surprise that gabione translates to large cage from Italian. Thanks to their exceptional durability, these structures are also widely used in road construction. They're great for fences too. For instance, the experts at Styropor built a lovely fence that stands 2.2 meters tall and stretches 41 meters long. Interestingly, gabions can even provide protection against X-rays during customs inspections. If a customer chooses pipe life panels, which combine aluminium distribution boards and polymer tubes, this is what their ceiling will look like. The room will be warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It's easy to figure out if there's enough space for pipe life installation. It can be used in any room that allows for suspended ceilings. The standard panel width is 336mm, and the length is 250cm. This coating is said to be an excellent solution for both present and future needs. Surprisingly, it only requires two components, polyurea and resin. Together, they provide a strong barrier against water, abrasion, static electricity, UV rays, and household chemicals. They also adhere well to a wide range of materials, including wood and concrete. The coating is flexible, making it suitable for use on pipes, walls, and truck bodies. To demonstrate its effectiveness to customers, you can treat a styrofoam block and have them jump on it, or transport water in a cardboard box coated with this material. If you need to quickly demolish a stone or concrete building, but don't have the budget or time to use explosives, consider Namit. This powder is mixed with water and pumped into holes at critical points of the structure. As it expands, Namit increases the pressure up to 1,000 kilograms per square centimeter. Within a few hours, the building will be reduced to ruins without any shockwaves, noise, or debris. No special licenses are needed to transport or handle this material, and it's even available on Amazon. A 5-kilogram bag of Namit costs around $121. Back in 1944, French architect and designer Jean Prouvé conceived a prefabricated house design. Little did he know that many years later, his brainchild would be reimagined and brought to life by Roger Sturck-Haber and partners for the Design Miami Basel 2015 exhibition. Initially, Prouvé envisioned the house as a means for people to revive and reconstruct bomb-ravaged villages. However, the updated version prioritizes leisure, incorporating 2 supplementary units resembling rocket stages that function as a bathroom and a kitchen. Additionally, a new terrace can be lifted to shield occupants from unfavorable weather conditions. We talk about the Lego sets a lot in our videos. Now, EcoMure has come up with a Lego-inspired idea, but instead of plastic, they use natural Belgian stone. These blocks are pretty big, weighing up to 990 kilograms. Imagine building a 7-meter-high retaining wall with them. It's easy for masons to do since no mortar is required. In just 8 hours, they can install 80 square meters of these blocks. Discovering a damp basement during any season is far from normal. Upon investigation, experts frequently identify inadequate waterproofing as the culprit. It's high time to confront unwelcome dampness head-on. The team at Aquatech employs top-notch materials to establish a robust, multi-layered defense. First of all, they apply a liquid membrane like Aquablock WB, which securely bonds to wood, stone, and various other surfaces, pairs well with reinforcing fabric, and is ideal for damp concrete. Then, the Delta MS roll membrane, boasting over 1,800 dimples per square meter, can be used. Crushed stone or sand serves as an effective backfill option. Both membranes enable Aquatech specialists to work even at chilly temperatures of -30 degrees Celsius, tackling not just regular tasks, but also emergency situations. Here's an interesting question for a crossword puzzle. What do you call a blend of 80% wood chips, Portland cement, and mineral additives? The answer is Durasol, although this name may differ by country. Interestingly, in certain instances, blocks made from this material can be as robust as M100 concrete. That's why it's used in a wide array of projects, ranging from flower beds to load-bearing walls. Beverly Hills Cop, Assault on Precinct 13, 8 Mile, Detroit has starred in numerous films. While many recall the city for its auto industry, Detroit's architecture holds unexpected wonders. Take the Exchange apartment building, for example. At first sight, it seems regular, but it's actually the first US structure built using the lift-build method. The team started with 2 concrete pillars and then constructed floors, lifting them at speeds up to 9 meters per hour. Despite heavy traffic and nearby buildings, the team finished the 16-story exchange without using huge cranes. Pave and Go is a 100% Italian-made revolution in paving. Its inventors have merged the strength of traditional pavers with easy installation, eliminating the need for screed or adhesive. Pave and Go's total thickness varies from 18 to 28 millimeters. It's a flexible option for both indoor and outdoor use. Installation is quick, with a single worker able to lay 25 square meters in an hour. The pavers are made of porcelain stoneware, simple to clean, resistant to de-icers, and come with an anti-slip finish. We've discovered a similar solution in France. The Pavers system is ideal for builders aiming to satisfy clients with quick work. Top-notch quality and perfect spacing between pavers. The process might seem a bit dull. A craftsman uses a mallet to fill in special mesh elements which are then connected. The result is sturdy enough for a parking lot. The secret is that the blocks are made of granite. Pavefast boasts a lifespan of about 50 years or more. Like with Pave and Go, there's no need for mortar or glue. If needed, disassembling parts of the flooring is as simple as installing. The makers of Nova Brick have also left their mark in the construction world. It's the only self-ventilated mortarless brick veneer that screws and mechanically fastens to the walls. You don't have to fix it every row, just every fourth one. Nova Brick looks much nicer than wood, aluminium or vinyl siding. And lets you create designs that imitate brick, tile or stone. Anyone comfortable using a level, a drill and a screwdriver can work with this system. Nova Brick blocks weigh 2.4 kilograms each and come with a 50-year limited warranty. Stone Clip is an engineer-certified solution for the mechanical attachment of stones and tiles, renowned for its exceptional strength. It can securely hold even a 450-kilogram granite block in place. With Stone Clip, various structures such as terminals, museums, bridges, and more will be permanently and strikingly enhanced. A standard project involves using granite slabs, each weighing 85 kilograms and measuring 1500 by 800 by 25 millimeters. Thermopath, the Netherlands' first eco-friendly heated bike path, harnesses heat from wastewater for its operation. The system automatically adjusts the temperature based on sensor data. While experts remotely monitor temperature fluctuations via the internet to address any malfunctions. The most appealing aspect is the elimination of heavy machinery for cleaning the parts. For over 7 decades, Alfred Miller Contracting has been pioneering industrial and commercial construction projects throughout North America, even aiding petrochemical companies in their endeavors. Among their products are precast concrete structures, engineered to reduce installation time by 60%. A dedicated team of 5 can install pipe racks at an impressive rate of 122 running meters per day. Compared to steel counterparts, these structures boast half the cost, require no fire protection, and remarkably, can endure a century without any maintenance. Railroads are intricate systems and can sometimes experience accidents. For instance, a railroad tanker carrying oils and fuels might unexpectedly leak. Such incidents can be highly hazardous to people, equipment, and the environment. To address this, Ultratech International provides special pans designed for liquid collection. The standard 6-meter models can be linked together, and filtration and absorption systems can be incorporated. These pans have a low profile, ensuring they don't obstruct traffic at crossings. Additionally, an optional drain manifold allows the pans to be connected to separators and holding tanks. Axter is eager to unveil the true potential of flat roofs, but proper preparation is key. One important step involves addressing the expansion joints. In this video, professionals demonstrate the use of Axter Excel joint, an elastomeric membrane strengthened with polyamide fabric to seal these joints. Since the standard 10-meter roll weighs either 15 or 23 kilograms, Axter XL joint can be hand-carried onto the roof with ease. One of the most captivating stages of installation involves using a 1000 degrees Celsius blowtorch. The Stegmaier company is here to demonstrate that even something as common as drainage can offer surprises with the right engineering approach. With a simple hand movement, the craftsman adjusts its height from 36 to 54 millimeters, making it compatible with bricks and pavers of various thicknesses. It's great when everything's level. If the area is uneven, Stegmaier provides elements with 45 and 90 degree curves. Plus, the wide base makes the entire system suitable for installation on sandy substrates. Let's explore the use of water stops. Resembling large pieces of gum, these strips serve various important purposes, such as insulating surface joints, formwork preparation, and roof sectioning. Typically made of rubber or plasticized PVC, they come in different versions for repairing, protection, and specialized purposes. You can find them in various places, from soccer stadiums to hydroelectric power stations and even spaceports, highlighting their importance. A square meter of clay roof tiles weighs around 40 kilograms, and that's just one of the many materials roofers handle. They can now use the bumper system to make their work easier. Setting it up takes less than 5 minutes, and it's available in gasoline and electric versions. The bumper can lift up to 80 kilograms to heights of up to 9 meters. In just an hour, it can lift thousands of building material pieces. Plus, any disassembled materials can be carefully lowered using the hoist. Looking to renovate porches, decks, or patios by yourself? Century Outdoor could be the perfect solution for you. This flooring consists of two main components, a tile made from resin and bamboo wood fibers, featuring a natural texture that many customers will appreciate, and an innovative installation system. Thanks to its easy-to-use snap-together technology, Century Outdoor can be installed without any tools, allowing even those with no prior experience to create a beautiful, long-lasting siding that won't crack, swell, or peel. Plus, the overall thickness is just 22 millimeters. Here, the innovative Certus facade system is being installed. It merges thin brick slips with stainless steel carriers, making the process similar to assembling a large jigsaw puzzle. However, each piece weighs around 15 kilograms. No glue, resin, or similar products are required, and it's even possible to mimic vertical brickwork if needed. With dedicated craftsmanship, Certus can last over 60 years. Time-wise, this facade can be installed 5 times faster than similar systems. Knauf Danaline has accomplished remarkable feats in gypsum-based products, using this common mineral to create acoustic ceilings. They are noteworthy for their Danish elegance, studio-quality efficiency, and Cleaneo technology, which purifies the air. How does this work? The ceiling tiles feature unique perforations and are filled with a special substance near the core, effectively combating cigarette smoke and food odors, among other things. This solution is ideal for offices and car dealerships. Want to create projects using natural stone but only have concrete available? Tashmatic molds can help you unleash your creativity with minimal effort. These plastic or aluminium molds come in various patterns, such as butterflies and honeycombs. One version measures 42 by 40 by 3.5 centimeters. If you purchase several different molds and combine them, many guests will likely take photos of your amazing project. Reinforcing a riverbank, creating a stormwater pond, enhancing drainage ditches, or laying a temporary road, earthlock mats have been used in numerous projects. They offer a long-lasting, flexible, and rapid solution. If workers had opted for concrete structures, the process would have taken 20 times longer. For instance, a team could cover 7,000 square meters with matting in just a week. Plus, the shrubs and grass growing through them serve as an added bonus, extending their lifespan by 50 to 100 years. City roads produce noise levels of 45 decibels, even during the night, which can lead to irritability and sleep disturbances. Traffic noise is the second leading cause of health issues among Europeans, with only polluted air ranking higher. What can be done in such situations? One solution is installing barriers along the noisiest roads. In this case, Durasol is used, making installation, maintenance, and repair relatively simple. Once the work is complete, the road's noise level will decrease to 30 decibels. Let's check out this Mexican experiment that merges 3D printing with traditional construction methods. To delve into the topic, let's start with the term tepetate. In Mexico, this word is used to describe a dense, clay-rich soil, often containing cement. It's a decent building material, but now it's even better, as the blocks are printed by robots. Tepetate, cement, lime and water are combined and layered like cream in cakes. During a local architecture festival, these blocks were used to build the roof of a small gazebo. What other uses can you envision? Offices with natural light can improve employee well-being and productivity, with about 80% of employees feeling better and 70% working more productively in such environments. This should motivate managers to consider installing doing light tunnels, which can bring sunlight to even the most remote areas of large office buildings. The standard versions are designed for areas ranging from 9 to 75 square meters, and there's also a special version with built-in ventilation that can handle 100 cubic meters per hour. Plus, using natural light can help save money on electricity bills. How popular is Durabar? Dextra Group, the company that manufactures this rebar, has warehouses on multiple continents. The available diameters range from 6 to 16 millimeters. This composite building material is suitable for small private projects like residential walkways, as well as large-scale construction projects like hospitals. In the case of hospitals, it's a major advantage that Durabar is made of polymer and fiberglass, which means it doesn't conduct electricity and won't interfere with equipment. Plus, it's 25% lighter and twice as strong as steel. Modern bridges are truly impressive. Take, for instance, the massive bridge built by Chinese professionals, spanning almost 165 kilometers. Building such structures demands accurate math and unique tools like EnerPack. This device uses a hydraulic setup to lift and lower enormous bridge parts. An EnerPack JS750 can shift 750 tons. If more power is needed, workers can link and sync multiple EnerPacks. In just an hour, a bridge section or piece can be raised to a height of 6 meters. Yosemite shelving represents the future of garage storage and is such a fantastic product, you'll want to purchase it even if you've never heard of it before. The creators of Yosemite raised over $200,000 in a single Kickstarter campaign, with users willing to pay $165 for a set of 16 brackets. That's how much people needed a quick shelving solution. By the way, a shelf with 4 Yosemite brackets can hold a load of 454 kilograms. It was a great idea to use an engineering-grade polymer. Are you reaching for your bank card yet? If you place a wind turbine blade beside a building, it'd reach roughly the 12th floor. How do you move these massive parts from one side to the other during installation and upkeep? It's simple if you have a KL or koala lifter. Like a true koala, this machine securely grips the wind turbine's support, and in the T30 version, lifts loads up to 30 tons. The lifting speed is 100 meters in 45 minutes. There are no height limits for the support, and just one person can operate the machine. Flow is a sustainable 2-in-1 solution that can be used for both sewage and septic tanks, depending on the project's requirements. Builders will appreciate the simplicity of its modular assembly and low-profile components that reduce the need for excavation work. The main modules of Flow are pipes wrapped in geotextile mesh filled with recycled polystyrene aggregate, available in 2 standard lengths of 1.5 and 3 meters. Despite its simplicity, the system takes into account important aspects for engineers, such as evapotranspiration, which is the combined process of water moving through evaporation and transpiration. Additionally, Flow is a flexible solution that can be easily adapted to avoid trees and other obstacles. Frankischer has unveiled the Alpex range of products tailored for drinking and service water systems, including showers, heating, and kitchen sinks. Acknowledging that plumbers require diverse equipment, the company has compiled a comprehensive 76-page Alpex catalog. Now, plumbers can conveniently source all their needs from a single supplier, confident that even the most basic component is meticulously crafted. Consider, for instance, their mounting plate, the first on the market to be made from fiberglass reinforced plastic. Despite its lightweight nature, it matches the torsional stability of its metal equivalent. The Alpex pipes are also remarkable, featuring reinforced plastic and zero oxygen permeability. It's no wonder Frankischer has 15 facilities all over the world and a workforce of 6,000 people. Now, let's discuss Isowall Mineral Wool, a basalt-based variant. It's produced by stretching 4 to 7 micrometer thick fibers at a temperature of 1,450 degrees Celsius. This process results in a material that doesn't age, is chemically inert, resists fungus and mold, and can withstand temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. This versatile mineral wool is used in various applications, such as partitions, walls, and roofs, and it even enhances the sound insulation of rooms. It's possible that the machine uprising won't be a violent conflict between humans and Skynet, but a slow, unnoticeable integration of robots into our everyday lives. Imagine a rebar fitter's surprise when learning that a client hired a tie-bot instead of their team. Resembling a fallen construction crane, this massive robot ties around 1,100 rods with an 8 or 9mm diameter in just 60 minutes. Operating continuously for 19 hours is no issue for Tiebot, and its width can be adjusted up to 30.5 meters. Tiebot boasts 150% greater speed than humans and remarkable precision, thanks to AI and machine vision algorithms.